Hello everyone, welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM. My friends, today is a very good day for all XLM holders, and you know what, it's time to celebrate, my friends. Celebrate this pump. XLM taken a very huge pump. Personally, I'm very happy today and I'm feeling very good about XLM today. My friends, before starting this video, before discuss more about Stellar XLM, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the currently latest update of the XLM is going positive. Every day, every hour I found XLM in the pumping mode. You can see here, my friend, that now you can see, my friends, every change open the XLM is positive. Last one day, last 1 week change is open the XLM is positive, but only unfortunately the latest last 1 hour change is open the XLM is negative. But I hope with the passage of time, the last 1 hour changes it. I think there is a temporary pause after some passage of time. After 1 hour, 2 hour, the price change will become again positive, and they give you profit, not loss. So please just hold it. Never decide to sell. And other side, if you look the currently price of the XLM, so 0.266139 USD dollar is the currently price of the Stellar XLM. Let me show you the price chart, especially. Oh my god, you can see just the last 1 hour negative 2.7 the price of XLM dumps. I hope, my friends, that the Stellar XLM will continue this falls for the upcoming 1 hour, 2 hour, and after some period of time, after 1-2 hours, the price of the XLM will again explode, my friends. So never decide to say don't worry about this changes. That is a temporary changes, and I hope that again the price will pump. So just hold it, my friends. Don't worry about this kind of changes. Anyways, just tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about XLM? Is XLM good for investment in this time or not? Just tell me your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.